episode of Digital in Tech. This is me, your host. Okay, today we'll learn about a very interesting app. Okay, guys, so let's see how this app works. Actually, this app will help you to trick your friends. You can edit web pages. Okay, guys, so let's start. So before starting a video, I have a request for you that if you haven't subscribed our channel yet, so please subscribe it because we keep uploading videos like this. And if you like this video, watch till the end. If you like it, then please give a like to us. And yes, if you have any questions, comment us, or if you want us to make videos on any topic, so please comment us, we'll make on it. So let's begin, guys. So from the link in description, download the following app. Well, there is only one app, so I've already installed it. So I'll open it and I'll show you how it works. So you can see automatically Google has opened in this app. Okay, guys, so I'll search here something, Amazon India for example, and you can see, yeah, so you can see here some of phones are here. So I'll select this one. This is Huawei P20 Pro Blue. Its price is 64,999. Okay, guys, so I will change the price here. So how I'll change it? Here is the option of edit off. You can see here, when you click on it, it becomes edit on. Now click on it and you can change the price with your convenience. So I will change it and I will make 10 rupees. Okay, it's done. And here also I'll add it because you can see automatically, and MRP and dot is actual price. I will write here. Well, leave, this will also work. Okay, so this is now rupees 10 and we will send it to our friends and this will make our friends trick. Okay, this is how you can trick your friends. Well, this is the truth also behind how youtubers, some of the youtubers make clickbait that this phone is very 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 cheap for uh, some period of time. So this is how they do. So what you need to do now, you need to click a screenshot. So you can see on the top right there is a camera icon. Click on it. You can see now screenshot saved. So now let me show you the screenshot. Okay, guys, so you can see here, you can see it's now rupees 10. Well, earlier also I got some. Okay, well, a very interesting thing about this app is that when you change the price here in MRP and save, it also changes. Okay, guys, so it's a very good app. If you like the video, please give us a like and subscribe our channel if you haven't subscribed, because we keep uploading these videos. Thank you, guys.